Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the system. Make a restore point or full image so you can undo changes. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and allow UAC prompts. Next, open Windows PowerShell as administrator. Press Start, type PowerShell, right-click and choose Run as administrator. This elevated shell is required because removal touches system app packages and provisioned images. Make sure you close other apps and save work. Then proceed to list Microsoft Store packages so you can target the correct package name. You now locate and remove the store. Run getapps package all users where object $. Name like *Windows Store * to confirm package identity. Once identified, run remove apps package full name for the current user. Use remove apps package all users only when necessary. To prevent store reinstallation for new users, run PowerShell as admin, getapps provision package online where object $. Display name like *Windows Store *, then remove apps provisioned package online. You finish by rebooting and confirming the store no longer appears in Start or can be launched. If you see residual tiles, run a quick getapps package check again and remove leftovers. Once done, disable automatic reinstallation by blocking store updates via Windows Update settings or group policy if available. If Windows updates reinstall the app, make sure to check installer logs and scheduled provisioning tasks. If things go wrong, use your restore point or image immediately. That's the quickest, reliable rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.